Good morning, my friend. Welcome to this morning guided meditation, a gentle gift you're giving yourself to begin calm and clear. If you're new here, you're warmly invited to return to this peaceful space each morning. Notice the soft light of a brand new day and feel how a mindful start recharges your energy and fills you with clarity. And in just 10 minutes, we'll prepare you to step into this day with peace and purpose. So, if you're ready, let's begin. Let's breathe together now. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Soft and steady. Feel your shoulders drop, your body grounding, and your mind growing calm and clear. Again, inhale gently. Let the air flow in like a tide of energy. Exhale. Releasing tension, doubts, yesterday's noise. Whisper inside, I'm ready for today. Let this breath anchor you. Here, now, in calm gratitude. Picture your breath as a soft wave, washing through you, leaving you fresh, focused, and filled with positive morning energy. As your breath finds a steady rhythm, gently bring awareness to your body as if greeting a trusted friend who has carried you through every step of life. Start at the crown of your head. Feel your forehead soften, like the first sunlight melting away the night. Let that light travel to your eyes, your jaw, and release any tension still held there. Sweep your attention through your shoulders, down your arms, to your fingertips. Sense a gentle current of energy flowing, almost like your body whispering, I am awake. I am ready. Move to your chest and heart. With each inhale, feel it expand, steady, alive. With each exhale, create space for clarity and confidence. Travel down through your stomach, hips, legs, all the way to your feet, rooted firmly to the earth. Every step you take today begins with this grounded awareness. One of my students once said, when I scan my body in the morning, it feels as if every cell wakes up with me. So let this be your awakening too. Every part of you alive, radiant, ready to embrace the gift of this new day. Now that your body feels awake and alive, let's step into a moment of gratitude. Close your eyes gently and imagine yourself at the edge of a quiet morning field. The first rays of the sun rise slowly, painting the sky in soft gold and pink. This is your inner sunrise, warm, steady, full of possibility. Take a deep breath in and feel grateful for something simple, right here, right now. Maybe the comfort of your bed, the voice of someone you love, or simply the gift of waking up to a new day. One of my students once shared gratitude used to feel hard until I realized it didn't need to be something big. Even a quiet cup of tea could shift my whole mood. Have you ever felt that too? That the smallest things can open the biggest doors inside you. So breathe in that feeling now. See the sunrise glow entering your heart. And with each inhale, let gratitude expand. With every exhale, let it flow outward, touching your day ahead, the people you'll meet, the places you'll go. You're not just beginning your morning. You're carrying gratitude as a quiet power, a light that shines through everything you do today. Now, as your heart glows with gratitude, let's anchor this energy with a few affirmations. You can repeat them softly in your mind, or whisper them out loud as if spoken just for you. Take a slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let these words become your truth. I am awake. I am alive. I am ready for this day. Another deep breath in. Feel the strength rising in you as you say, I carry calm energy. I move with clarity and focus. One more breath in. And with your exhale, let this affirmation settle like morning light. I open my heart to gratitude. I open my mind to possibility. Notice how your body responds. Your shoulders softening, your breath deepening, your spirit feeling just a little bit lighter. This is the quiet power of intention. Each affirmation is like a seed planted in your morning soil. And as the hours unfold, those seeds grow into the way you carry yourself, the way you speak, the way you live. So let these affirmations light up your morning and carry this strength, this positivity with you into the day ahead. As you hold this calm energy, remember your journey doesn't have to stop here. If you'd like to balance this bright morning energy with deep evening rest, I've prepared something special for you. A guided sleep practice just for tonight. You'll see it appear right here on the screen. When the moment feels right, simply tap the card and let your meditation flow gently into the evening. And now, let this calm energy settle deep within you. Take a slow breath and notice you are not the same as when you began. Whatever stress or heaviness you carried, allow it to stay behind. This is your fresh start. As you step into your day, bring with you this steady clarity, this quiet strength. Let it guide the way you move, the way you speak, the way you choose your next action. Remember, each new morning is a canvas, and today, you paint it with energy, gratitude, and light. Take one last deep breath in and slowly let it out. Carry this calm energy with you today. Carry this gratitude in your words and let it shine through your actions. If you'd like to continue your next session, Gratitude and Joyful Living is waiting for you right here. Or explore the full morning playlist to make this ritual your daily habit. And if you're winding down tonight, the sleep meditation playlist will guide you into deep, restful rest. Now as we close, take a gentle countdown with me. 3, relaxing. 2, centered. 1, ready for the day ahead. Until we meet again, may your day unfold with peace, clarity, and joy.